Hello
Hello
friends,
friends,
Salam
Salam
Namaste,
Namaste, Sat
Sat
Sri
Shri Akal,
Akal,
Jai
Jai
Masi
Masi
to
to
everyone.
everyone.
This is Sharon
This is Gloria Sharon.
and today we're gonna do reaction on do Indians know how their English accent sounds? And
Asian
this video,
boss.
yeah, this video is uploaded by Asian Boss or
इस पे रिएक्शन देने के लिए हमें कहा था सरुण के एस ने.
G.
Yeah.
So I guess
Let's start
the
the
reaction.
reaction.
Hey everybody, it's Sheetal from Asian Boss. Did you
Hi,
know that
Sheetal.
English is a very widely spoken language in India? In fact, whenever we do the street interviews, viewers always wonder that why people are answering in English and not in Hindi. So what do Indians think about this? Are they actually aware of how their accent sounds? Let's hit the streets of Mumbai to find out. If you had to take a guess, what percentage of Indian population can speak fluent English?
Maybe 40% maybe. If you go into any colleges or school, no one speaks English, Hindi at all. It's everything related to English itself. So I think that 70 to 80% might know English.
English is, I think, far more important than Hindi right now for Indians. So yeah, I think 40 to 45% around people speak fluent English.
I guess around 75% of Indian people can speak English fluently. Most of them are from South India because they are they are much more educated than the people living in North India. So that's my opinion, and I am myself a South Indian, so.
By the way, Indian English does have a particular accent. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I think it does.
It's actually proper English. So it's not accent, it's proper English, simple.
Yes, pretty much, but it has nothing got any problem with Indian people as such, because that is the way we talk.
So for you, it is normal, right? Your accent.
Yes, it's normal.
As an Indian person, were you aware that foreigners often make fun of the Indian English accent?
She's so pretty.
It is actually like when I have not personally encountered the situation, but my like I have cousins who live in the US. They speak that US accent of English, but still they get judged. Like this person looks Indian, and people, I don't know why. It's basically racism, and it's just senseless to me basically.
Yes, I
Yeah,
was,
accent
but
doesn't matter, right?
after I went to United States, I thought they spoke wrong English, so I made fun of their English, so it doesn't make any difference to me.
I think our accent is better than theirs because I think they are like not that good. It looks like they are spitting.
I think,
sorry, sorry, not offensive. It looks like they are spitting, and I think our accent is better. Yeah.
No, no. I think they need to learn English from us. It is like when we hear them, we find it funny.
It's lame. I don't really care what they think. Like, I can speak English and I can, make other people understand what I want to say. That's enough.
Yeah.
I don't really care what they think.
Well, Indian characters like Apu from The Simpsons have perpetuated stereotype in Western culture that Indians sound funny when they speak English. How does that make you feel?
I don't know. I think it's, if you watch it, I think it's funny at times, but then it really annoys you a little. You're stereotyping us a little too much. You're taking a little too far. Like, we don't really sound like that at all times, but okay.
That is funny to you guys, to the foreigners, and it's not funny to anybody in India because that is the way we talk. So, and people understand. That's the main thing.
Sometimes I feel offended, but they exaggerated more. I think, we don't speak like that firstly, but yeah, I feel offended sometimes.
Very offended, to be honest. I mean, it's funny for some time, and like, dude, no, we do not speak like that. Stop doing that.
Then to you, which English accent sounds funny or weird?
Oh, I think the way Russians speak, I mean the people, those who have their language as Russian or French, those are the weirdest English speaking people around, seriously.
My brother has been in Australia and his accent is literally funny. For me, Australian accent is, I really don't understand any of it. Literally any of it. I just don't understand.
Not because of the accent, maybe because of the wrong grammatical use. I find Chinese English quite funny because they don't use the proper, grammatical things.
Chinese. I must say Chinese. So their language is difficult. That has
When
goes
they
on.
speak English.
Exactly. They even don't pronounce it very well. Their lips even don't open for that.
So why does everybody speak English as opposed to the native Indian languages?
In India, I guess speaking English is a trend, or maybe it is like show off or something.
I think if you know English, you have lots of friends, and well, you're cool. You're the cool guy.
I'll say parents. That's it. Because they want the kids to speak English so that when they go to their school, they don't feel ashamed.
Is that how
Usually,
every child is taught from an
think ये
early young
standard
age?
है.
I cannot say about other childs, but my father, he insisted at my home I should speak my own native language, and he pays good fees for my school. So it's school's responsibility to teach me English. So I don't know how does everyone works, but that's how I was brought up.
Some people feel, not actually most of the people feel that when they are educated in English, they will have higher job opportunities, and then they dream about going to other countries for jobs, and that's the basic reason for them learning English. Otherwise, they would not even be interested in knowing the language.
If you speak fluent English, do people treat you better?
Yeah, in India, yes. I have seen that.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. When you just come across someone, you have a sort of mindset towards them. As soon as they start speaking, your mindset changes. Like, okay, they can speak English, yeah, okay, they must be like cool, I guess.
And if you're talking before a girl, she is going to be impressed by you. That's the most important thing about talking English.
When you start talking in English, and especially when you're talking really fluently, they give you much more respect than they usually give to other people who are talking in other languages.
Because English is becoming such a dominant language in Indian society, are you ever concerned that traditional Indian languages might disappear?
Yes, it is going on right now. I think even academically, today's generation is taught to speak in English and write English.
Yes, I am afraid of that thing right now, because we, being the youth of India, we shall take care of this thing, that we should not forget our own native language. If this continues, perhaps that day is not far that this will be our national language.
No, I'm not quite concerned about it, because we often have many organizations and cultural committees who focus on other languages. So I don't think it is dying out, because there are many people who support it and they want our traditional languages to last forever.
Yeah, I'm a bit concerned, because as I said before, it is like when a child is born, they are taught English first and then the mother tongue. So this is not at all a good thing for me.
Like even now, we are speaking about English, we're not discussing any other language here. So that itself shows how we give English more importance than any other languages.
So if it did disappear, the regional languages, what would that mean for the next generation of Indians growing up?
Well, it would be really bad. I think people from other countries come to India to see the culture and everything, and we might just lose it on the way. So I just hope we don't really, but I don't think it would really go anywhere. We'll continue speaking Hindi, Marathi and everything.
Learn to speak language. Language is really important, but do not forget you come from society or group of people or a different community. Do not forget that. Do not forget your roots.
Well, there you have it, guys. Is English becoming dominant language in your country, and how is it affecting your community? Be sure to subscribe to Asian Boss for more authentic insight into the latest news and cultural trends all over Asia. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.
See ya.
See you next time. Alright. Nice.
Well done. Okay.
बहुत अच्छी वीडियो थी.
हाँ.
और
exactly same thing के English is not a standard. It's a language.
It's a language.
So अगर आपको आती है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं आती तो उसमें कोई शर्मिंदा होने वाली बात नहीं है, क्योंकि
फनी नहीं
it's not your mother language.
और जितना एक्सेंट की बात है तो हर लैंग्वेज का जो है वो अपना एक्सेंट होता है. इवन जब मैं उर्दू बोलती हूँ तो मेरी उर्दू में पंजाबी एक्सेंट आता है. हालांकि हम बचपन से उर्दू बोलते आ रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली
जहाँ तक बात आती है एक्सेंट की, एक्सेंट एक्सेंट फनी है क्योंकि वो हमारी मदर लैंग्वेज नहीं है, मदर टंग नहीं है। हमारी मदर टंग जो है या तो वो हिंदी है या जैसे हो गई वो कह रही थी लड़की मराठी हो गई, ठीक है। और हमारी जो है उर्दू है, उर्दू पंजाबी, ठीक है, ये हमारी मदर लैंग्वेजेस है। अब इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज नहीं आती, इट डजंट मैटर, ठीक है। अब इतनी सी आनी चाहिए कि आप अपनी बात समझा दो, दैट्स इट, दैट्स एनफ। हम कनाडा में रहते हैं और स्टिल ब्यूटी बोलती है,
प्रॉपर इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकती,
गलतियां करती है बीच में, हम लोग फिर हंसते हैं।
बस लेकिन अगर फॉरेनर्स जो है मतलब गोरे, अगर गोरे में मेरा कभी किसी गोरे ने मजाक नहीं उड़ाया, ये ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। हमारे अपने लोग जो हैं वो ज्यादा मजाक उड़ाते हैं रेदर देन ये लोग जो हैं, ये लोग तो बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। और अगर ये लोग उर्दू बोलेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं गोरे जो कि उर्दू बोलते हैं, तो उनका एक्सेंट बहुत फनी लगता है और दे कैन इवन रीड उर्दू, बट स्टिल जब वो बोलते हैं तो उनके एक्सेंट से पता चलता है कि
उनके एक्सेंट फनी आता है।
सो
इट डजंट मैटर, अगेन वही बात है कि वो कोई आपका स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है, वो जस्ट एक लैंग्वेज है, ठीक है। आप अपनी मदर लैंग्वेज को ना भूलें, मदर टंग को ना भूलें। अब हमारी बेटी है डैनिका, हम उससे बात करते हैं पंजाबी या उर्दू में, उससे हम इंग्लिश में बात नहीं कर रहे, इवन दो कि हम कनाडा में, ठीक है। स्टिल
यहाँ के डॉक्टर्स रिकमेंड करते हैं कि आप अपने बच्चों से अपनी लैंग्वेज में बात करें, ताकि माइंड जो है वो बिल्ड हो रहे होते हैं इस टाइम। और क्या होता है कि जब बच्चे फैमिली में बैठते हैं तो उन्हें जो है वो समझ नहीं आती कि फैमिली जो है आपस में क्या बात कर रही है, तो बेटर ये है कि आप अपने बच्चों से जो है अपनी लैंग्वेज में बात करें।
Exactly.
तो हम लोग तो अपने बच्चों को जो है वो ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं कि हम उर्दू सिखाएं, पंजाबी सिखाएं, और इंग्लिश तो उन्होंने बाहर से सीख ही लेनी है।
स्कूल जाएंगे फिर आगे जब जॉब्स वगैरह करेंगे सीख लेंगे।
और इसी तरह इंडिया में
आजकल के बच्चे वैसे क्विक लर्नर है।
हाँ, और इंडिया में भी जो है वो स्कूल गोइंग किड्स जो हैं, और जितने, क्योंकि कॉलेज वगैरह में वही वो जो लड़का कह रहा था कि हर जगह इंग्लिश है, तो इंग्लिश आ ही जाती है। तो यही है मेन फोकस जो फैमिलीज को भी करना चाहिए कि वो अपने बच्चों के साथ जो है वो हिंदी भी बोलें, जो भी उनकी लैंग्वेज है बोलनी चाहिए।
ऐसे है कि जहाँ तक मेरा ख्याल है कि क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो है ज़्यादातर बोली वो लैंग्वेज आती है, इसलिए वो लोग फोकस करते हैं कि जी इंग्लिश लाजमी आनी चाहिए। बट अगेन मैं वही बात कहूँगा कि इंग्लिश नहीं आती, कोई बात नहीं, कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं, आपको इतनी सी होना चाहिए कि बस आप अपनी बात समझा दो, दैट्स इट।
और यहाँ तो हमारे ब्रैम्पटन में तो किसी को इंग्लिश नहीं आती, चलेगा। अगर पंजाबी नहीं आती फिर नहीं चलेगा भाई।
ब्रैम्पटन को कहते हैं मिनी पंजाब, जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं, हम ब्रैम्पटन में रहते हैं, तो ये मिनी पंजाब कहलाता है। यहाँ पे इंडियंस हैं, पाकिस्तानी हैं और कुछ श्रीलंकन लोग भी होते हैं, बट ज़्यादातर जो है हमारे इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के, इवन के हमारे साथ जो रहते हैं वो इंडिया के हैं, दिल्ली से।
हम घर शेयर कर रहे हैं ना, यस। हाँ। तो जो हमारे शेयरिंग पे हैं तो वो लोग तो पंजाबी बोलते हैं।
हाँ। So yeah, I guess that's it. This was a good video. Asian boss, job well done.
और बहुत सारे यंगस्टर को जो है वो इंग्लिश बहुत जबरदस्त आती है।
हाँ, ये बात बताऊंगा। देखें यहाँ पे इंडियंस हैं, सॉरी हम एंड करने लगे थे पर बात फिर याद आ गई है मुझे कि यहाँ पे इंडियंस हैं जिनका एक्सेंट बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है। उनको रिकग्नाइज नहीं कर सकते कि भाई वो गोरे हैं या इंडियन है, ठीक है। जो कि यहाँ के बॉर्न नहीं हैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूँ मैं। जो तो बॉर्न है यहाँ के, ऑब्वियसली उनकी इंग्लिश बेटर होगी, बट जो बॉर्न नहीं है उनकी इंग्लिश कुछ की बहुत अच्छी है और कुछ का ऑब्वियसली वो सेम एक्सेंट आता है जो कि हमारा है टिपिकली बोलने का। तो या अब उस दिन मैं वो गए हुए थे, ग्लोरिया की बहन हॉस्पिटल गए हुए थे हम लोग, तो वहाँ पे एक लेडी थी फ्रंट डेस्क पे, तो वो गोरी लग रही थी, हमें बोल रही थी, तो हम समझ रहे थे गोरी है, ठीक है। हम आपस में बातें कर रहे उर्दू में, तो बाद में उसने हमें उर्दू में जवाब दिया, हम उसकी एक दूसरे की शक्ल देखना शुरू हो गए। मैंने कहा है तो मतलब बात वही है, वो इंडिया से थी, तो उनका पता ही नहीं था चल रहा कि वो गोरे हैं या इंडियन है या पाकिस्तानी है।
कुछ लोगों का एक्सेंट बिल्कुल भी समझ नहीं आती, वो वाकई है।
So I guess that's it. So if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Do comment below, like share with your friends and recommend us more videos.
Yeah, latest videos आप हमें recommend करें. तो see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.